Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change payment method on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Foodpanda application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, you don't have to worry about that. We have plenty of videos how you can do that also. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see guys, here we have in the top left corner your address, and we have the search bar. Also we have 4 tabs. We have the home, shops, search, and account tabs. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change payment method on Foodpanda. So basically what you need to do is go and click on the 4th tab out of all those and click on the account tab. Here you can see that you have orders, favorites, and addresses. What you need to go and focus on is the cashback and payment methods, because there you can go and then change your payment method which you previously added. So you can go and click on that button. So click on the cashback and payment method button. Then here you will have a second, and here you can see your primary payment method, which will be there if you have some. Of course, at the moment my bank is not working, so that's why I don't have one there. But when you have one, you can go click on it and change it immediately on another account, on another payment method. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything guys I said for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.